Hey guys, it's me Brittany, the one and only Brittany. Welcome back to my channel. So today guys, I'm going to be showing y'all how I got this look using only beauty supply store products and a little bit of Target and Miss A products. Okay, I know that nobody asked for this makeup tutorial, but this is what you're getting. This is what you got. So yeah. So let's get started. Okay guys, I would normally use a hydro grip primer, the pink one, but I don't know where it is. So now let's really get started. I just go in with concealer and I put it under my eyes, and I normally put it all over my face actually, because this is like my foundation, I guess you could say. This is like my foundation and what I use on a daily basis, because foundation to me is just too much stuff on my skin. I don't like it very much. I don't really like it that much because I just feel like I don't need foundation on my face. Next, I go in with the number 10 and I put it on the kind of like outer of my eyes, because it has like a kind of like a red undertone, and it seems to go really good with the lighter and brighter shade. I also go in with this on my forehead, and I go like that, like a little star, and on my chin area. I also do the same with the lighter shade, so that way my face doesn't look a little bit uneven. And I do a little circle right there and a little la right there. Now let's do my eyebrows while I let this sit. Now guys, for my eyebrow, I like to go in with this Miss A Hold My Brow gel. Well, it's not a gel, it's like a soap, and it really does hold my brows. So I like to brush up. Ooh, make sure you don't get the stuff too wet, because it is soap and it will start to like bubble and foam and leave white residue. Well, it will dry, but you know. And that's all I do for my eyebrows, because I'm not good at doing them with the pencil, because I'm still learning. And yeah, this is just what I do on my face every day. Now that I'm done with my eyebrows, I'm gonna go in and blend out my concealer under my eyes. And I like to spray a beauty blender. It's dirty, don't come for me, please don't. And I spray it with some setting spray, and I go in under and I just blend it out. Man, it is hot in here, but I turned my fan off, so we're just gonna have to manage. After I go in and I do that, I normally go in with pressed powder, but since I have my contour, I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna do some contour. Now, what I learned about this contour is not to put too much, because then you're gonna be looking a bit like really dark on the places that you put this. So I try not to go, and I try not to do too much of that. I've already messed it up. It was pretty a couple weeks ago, and now it's all messed up. Now I'm gonna go and I'm gonna place a dot right here, right there, and right there. 3 dots. And on the bridges of my nose, I guess. I'm gonna put some right there. And I normally go with a little bit of some, just to make a jawline, because baby, mine is where? mine is where? Nowhere to be found. So this is my contour brush. I got it from Miss A. To be honest, y'all, I actually love this store. I'm gonna go in and do it the same thing, and I'm gonna spray it with some setting spray, and I'm gonna blend up. Well, I'm gonna swipe it up. Do you see what I'm talking about? Like, it's already like a lot. So I'm gonna blend up. I hope it's not taking off my makeup, but I'm just gonna, we're gonna go in and we're gonna fix it with some more concealer, because if it's too dark to the point where I don't like it, I go and I put more concealer on to fix it and brighten it up. Y'all, I got into cosmetology and I love that for myself. Like,
I'm gonna put my hard work and dedication into that program, I promise. I swear I am.
And now we're gonna go on my forehead and just brush it back. We're gonna brush it back and like down and back. Okay, I know I'm supposed to put like some type of like concealer right there, so that's what I'm gonna do. Down the bridge of my nose. I normally have a bag where all my brushes are in, but I can't really seem to find that. So we're gonna try and make do with this brush that we have right here and just go in on the outer edges and just try to blend it in softly and smoothly. Okay, y'all see that? And there you have my nose. Now we're gonna go in with the lighter shade of concealer again and just put a line right there and right there, because I don't like how dark the contour is on my face, so I try to brighten it up a little bit, like a tint of darkness. Like, it's not too dark. Look at me talking like I know what I'm doing. I'm just giving y'all what I do to my face. Stop. Oh my gosh. Y'all like my robe? It's a nice little monkey robe. If you're a robe company and y'all want to send me some robes, please do so, because I got this monkey robe and I've been wearing it since 3rd grade. So yeah, I said 3rd grade. Just imagine that, since 3rd grade, and I'm way past 3rd grade, okay? It's been a couple years. Trust. Okay guys, now that I'm done with that, I'm going to go in with some pressed powder. When I go in with my pressed powder, I like to take a powder puff. I just put some on. I like to take some powder puff and go and dap it in like this and place it under my eyes. Just like so, and it takes the shine away. And I normally just do this under my eyes, but sometimes I go all over my face, but today I'm just gonna do under my eyes, just like so. I'm like really liking how this is turning out. Like, it's like really cute, and lashes on fleek by me, of course. Hey, now that that's done, I'm going to spray my face with some setting spray. This is, I don't use this one no more, but I'm going to use it for sake of the video because I got it from the Beauty store, and it's the same brand as the rest of the makeup products I use. The NK makeup, that's like a really good, like, I like it. Like, it actually got some good type products. Like, I did all this with that. Like, come on now, what are you talking about? Except for the contour. The contour is e.l.f. Halo Glow. So I'm going to spray my face. Ooh, child. Ooh, boy, that went in my eye. So I spray my face and then I go in with this again and I just pat everywhere. So just call me whenever you're lonely. Now let's go in with some eyeshadow. I got this palette from my one of my best friends, and hold on guys, let me find my brush bag. Okay guys, I have my bag. It's a pretty pink little bag and it has all like my type of makeup brushes and all that. And my sister found the primer, but that's okay. Makeup is already on, nothing you can do about it now. So now I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna get a brush. Don't ask me which one's an eyeshadow brush, because I won't be able to tell you. I just pick a nice little brush and I go in by my day. But I'm gonna just go in with this one right here. I need brushes that tell me what it's for, like, please. I'm gonna go in with this brush right here. I got this from the B Supply store as well. I'm telling you, the B Supply store like never misses, like, hello? Y'all, I would normally go in with one size, the translucent powder and the spray, and it will, like, if you touch your face, it won't move. It just will not move at all. So now I'm gonna go in with some eyeshadows, and I like to go in with like glittery brown colors because I love brown. Hello, I love me some brown, and I like how like it just looks cute on my face. So yeah, I'm gonna go in with this brown. I'm gonna put it on. I'm gonna go in with this one right here, this little middle one right there, and just put it in my inner corners. Ooh, look how sparkly that is, though. It's so sparkly. Can't tell me it's not. You be lying. You be lying. Just with the inner corners. Okay, now I'm gonna do the same for the other side. And just, you know what's crazy, guys? I'm not going nowhere. I'm getting this cute to go nowhere. But that's okay. You don't have to always go out to get cute. Get cute. Get cute on your own time. Like, now we're gonna go in with that color right there. Oh wait, I did have pink on my stuff. It's okay. It's actually cute though. I'm doing that now. Cause what? That's actually cute. I took it from my twin, y'all. Like, hello? Is this cute? Is this like a vibe though? It's like, oh my gosh, it is so cute. That is so pretty. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I got all of this stuff from the B Supply store. Most of it. Some came from Miss A, some came from Target, but most of it came from the B Supply store. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video because I had so much fun making it for you guys. And this is my, like, basically my makeup routine. Like, every time I put on my makeup, this is what I do. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next videos. All right, my one and onlys. Bye.